Wibbly Pig opens his presents. These are Wibbly Pig's presents. A bear, a car, a book about himself, some sweets, and a ball. But Wibbly Pig likes the paper best. What do you like best?